All right, so we're going to continue to look at how Google Drive is set up and how it behaves. Hopefully help you guys out a little bit. So we looked at My Drive, what's in My Drive. Okay, so this is your drive, My Drive, right in front of you. Okay, this quick access here, stuff that was uploaded recently, today or whenever. And then the stuff down below, you're gonna have your folders on top, and below your folders are going to be your documents. Okay, basically it's organized by alphabetical order. You can reverse that order so that the end of the alphabet comes first. That'll do your folders, and then it's also gonna do your your documents or whatever other files you have. All right, I'm just gonna change it so it's not too confusing. What I was suggesting in the previous video is when you need to search, don't just scroll down and look and look and look for the file. That is going to drive you nuts. And when you call me, I can't help you very much if that's what you're doing. So what you want to do instead is put a title up here. So maybe it's the tech collection. I know it was tech something. I'll call it tech. Hit the magnifying glass to search, and then there it is. Okay, so I know that part of it maybe looks pretty simple. What's kind of hard to maybe live with a little bit is, it's messy. It is a little messy because if I type in tech, all of this other stuff comes up, and it's not clean. And you want to get the stuff out that doesn't belong in there. You don't want to worry too much about that with Google Drive because you can have unlimited storage, and stuff that you really need to have organized, you just make a folder for it and put everything that you need organized into that folder. And that's what I'm going to suggest for that. So, okay, so we looked at My Drive, and now look on the side. If I click My Drive, it'll come up here, but see this arrow to the side here? I'm going to click down on that arrow, and then look, all of my folders actually come up over here. So I want to show you something that's actually really super. And hopefully can help you organize. Okay, so let's say I make a folder. I'm going to actually do it right now for you. I'm going to make a new folder called Organizing in Drive. All right, hit Create, and it's actually going to show up over to the side, that side, I guess. All right, and it's going to show up here in front of you. So organizing, where am I? Here you go, Organizing in Drive. All right, and so when I make a new folder, there's some really neat things I can do. I can actually drag things into this folder. Okay, so I can take them from here and drag them to here. So that goes in there, and then let's put it there too. Let's say I want that organized that way. All right, now it takes it off here and puts it right in here. Okay, and then let's say, let me get in this Organizing in Drive folder. So I'm in the folder now. You can see that, right? And look, I've got those two folders in there that I dropped, but let's say I actually need another folder. If I create a new folder while I'm in this Organizing in Drive folder, it's just going to go right there. It's not going to go somewhere else. It's going to stay within the folder in which I created. All right, so let me just call it, let's see, Getting Organized, I guess. Getting Organized. All right, here we go. I'll create that. So there you go. Look, Getting Organized. All right, so then you see that folder appeared here. It's already created because I created it within a folder. So you might think sometimes, oh, I created it in the drive, it should go into that folder. No. It will go into the folder in which you create it. Now, that being said, maybe you're over in Drive. Whoops, hang on. Let's get you back in Drive here. Okay, back in your Drive, right? My Drive, you've still got this going on over here. You forgot you're in Drive. I don't know, you got to go to the bathroom or get something to eat, and then you came back and you're like, oh, yeah, I need another folder called, oh, that was unexpected. I need another folder called Sheepdogs. Okay, so you create Sheepdogs. Oh no, that was supposed to be in my Organizing in Drive folder. Oh, what am I gonna do? It's okay. This is what you're gonna do. you're just going to come take it and you're going to drag it right over there. And look, it goes there. Okay, so you don't have to panic if you create it in a wrong spot. You just have to think for a moment about how you can get it into the right spot. Using Google Drive effectively is all about organizing. Okay, it's all about understanding how it's set up and then going with that organization to help you with what you're trying to do. So then you've got those folders, right? And you've got your organizing in Drive. Now maybe you needed one of your files too. Now look, I'm going down and searching for a file. I can't find it. I can't find it. This is so frustrating. Why can't I find the file? Oh, right. Remember, when you search for a file, search for it. I'll search for internet. Search for it like this, right? You know internet's in the name. And then, oh, that's right, MSAD4 internet access. Oh, okay, found the file. Okay, and maybe you need this in your organizing in Drive. Okay, so that's fine. You searched for it. You found it. You're going to put it in the folder that you need it in. Again, those folders are really going to be key to helping keep your stuff that you want together. Kind of think of Google Drive as like a river of stuff. Okay, and then you create containers, which are the folders, and that's where you put the important stuff that you want to keep together. You can always find something out of the river, always find the fish that you're looking for through that search, query, but it's going to take a minute if you don't quite understand how it's set up. And you know what? I'll tell you what, the more you practice with it, the easier it'll get for you, like anything. All right. So let's say I want this MSAD4 internet access too. Let's say I don't want it in the organizing and Drive folder, but maybe I want it in the getting organized folder. So look, I'm going to drag it in. It's going to go right into getting organized. Oops, I dragged it into Fall Nuea 2018. That's not right. Okay, so what I actually have to do then is I'm going to have to go to, I'm going to clear my search. Watch this. It's important you know this. Clear your search. Okay, and then just click the magnifying glass to bring you back to Drive. Now, I accidentally dropped it into Nuea 2018. Okay, I'll click Drive again so I can get to where I want to be. All right, now what I'm going to do is go to Nuea 2018. I think it was fall, but I'm going to have my organizing Drive folder ready because I'm going to try that again. Okay, sometimes you have to try again, and that's all right. So I want to get it in getting organized. All right, so Nuea fall 2018. Nope, it didn't go there. Did I put it in the other Nuea folder? This one maybe? Yeah, well, that is odd. Maybe it didn't go in there. Okay. So, oh, maybe fall 18 Nuea growth. Did I not remember it? Nope, that's not it. Let's see. So sometimes it takes time to find it. So maybe it didn't actually go in. So let's just type in internet again. Try and get internet access. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, it's still there. Still there when I do my search. So I'm going to try this again, and I'm going to put it in getting organized. I drop it right in there. Okay. So then let me look in getting organized, and there it is. Okay, now maybe let's say I didn't actually need it in that folder, but I needed it, under the organizing in Drive. So you can actually take it, just drag it into a new folder. Now look, see, it comes up there. But maybe actually I wanted it in sheepdogs. That'd be a strange spot for it, but there. Now I'm never going to be able to find it in sheepdogs, so I'll just take it out and put it back in my Drive. Alright, so you see how you can kind of move stuff between folders? And how if you put it in the wrong folder, you just do another search, find it, and drag it into the correct folder. You know, it takes a little bit of time to get used to, but it is a very effective way to organize once you get the hang of it.